from the verses of Surah Tawbah, where it starts with that, Allah has forgiven the Prophet, the Muhajirun, and the Ansars. Then it says, after the hearts of a party of them nearly deviated from the right path, but he accepted their repentance. Is it three different groups mentioned in this verse, or is it just Allah and His Messenger Sallallahu Ansar and Muhajirun, and these three companions? Is there any other group who Allah has forgiven?
Yeah, there's another group who Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala had forgiven.
And they clarify which group was it? Which group of people?
I don't remember now, but I think I mentioned it at the beginning. I think I did, no? Wallahu a'lam. Anyway, yeah, there is another group.
Okay,
for example, as well in Surah Tawbah, it said, الَّذِينَ يَلْمِزُونَ الْمُطَوِّعِينَ, the ones who are from the munafiqeen, they are يَلْمِزُون, meaning scorn at, the one who are giving صدقة, مطوعين من في الصدقات. Ka'b ibn Malik had explained that as to be Abu Khaytham al-Ansari, radiyallahu anhu. So there is more than one group mentioned in the ayah.
Okay.
No.
Jazakallah khair.
I can't remember which one. No, but it is true. No.